So the green card lottery is officially going to start on October 2nd, 2024. That means that 55,000 green cards will be available for foreign nationals from qualifying countries. Who is eligible, how to apply for the green card lottery, and what not to do to make sure that you will be mostly successful to get that green card. Everything and more in this video. So let's talk about the Green Card Lottery 2026. Every year, the US government conducts a green card lottery designed to give away 55,000 green cards for qualified applicants. I'm going to explain in this video what the green card lottery is, how you can participate, and how to make sure you maximize your chances to be selected in this year's green card lottery. So first of all, the green card lottery is conducted online. In the description of this video, I'll give you the link for the Department of State's website. It's a free way to apply for the green card. Now, remember, there are many companies outside online trying to sway applicants to pay fees to do this. You don't need to do this. The application is free online. The link is in the description of this video. What is most important for you to understand is exactly how to do it to avoid mistakes. So first things first, it opens October 2nd, noontime, Eastern Time, US, and it will close at 12 p.m. Eastern Time on November 5th. Again, the application is happening only online. The reason why the State Department is making 55,000 green cards available for foreign nationals is because they want to create diversity. There are certain countries that do not qualify for the green card lottery, and I'm going to give you the names of those countries in a second. And the reason why they don't qualify is because these countries have too many applicants that apply for green cards every year. And the idea is to create a diversity in the United States to give a chance for those people that haven't applied yet to get their chance to get the green card. Now, before we talk about the countries that are not eligible, let me tell you one thing. If you're watching this channel, I appreciate you very much. Please subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matters, please send me a text to 619-483-4549. I'm here to help you. Or go to www.immigrationasap.com, leave your details there, and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. And now, let's talk about those countries that are not eligible to apply for the green card lottery. Let's start with Bangladesh, Brazil, Canada, mainland China, Colombia, Cuba, Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, India, Jamaica, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, South Korea, Venezuela, and Vietnam. The countries I just mentioned are not eligible to apply for the green card lottery. But if you're one of those countries, if you're born in those countries, the only way that they decide if you qualify or not is by the country of birth. So even if you're born, for example, in Venezuela, or let's say you're born in the Philippines, now you're a citizen of another country, it doesn't matter. It goes by country of birth. But if you're a citizen of one of those countries and you're married to somebody who is not a citizen of one of those countries, and that person applies and they win, now you as a spouse can join them and come to the United States. That's one way to overcome the green card lottery restriction of countries if you're married to somebody who is from a country that is not excluded. So what are the requirements to apply for the green card lottery? First, you cannot be a citizen of any of those countries that I mentioned to you. You had to be born in a country that is not excluded. Number two, you must have at least a high school diploma or equivalent, or at least 2 years of work experience in the past 5 years. Also, you cannot have a criminal record. If you meet those minimum requirements, you should be able to apply online, as I mentioned, on the dates that they open the registration, which is October 2nd until November 5th. Now, how do you know that you actually won the green card lottery? The government will be notifying the winners on May 3rd, 2025 online, and you'll see if you were selected, and you can check if your number is one of those selected. Now, even if you're selected in the green card lottery, it doesn't mean that you're going to get your green card. You still have to verify that your number is low enough and the visa bulletin to make sure that there's enough visas to allocate for you, and you have to finish the process of applying for the green card by September 30th, 2026. Now, what if you're inside the United States on a student visa or some other work visa? Can you still apply for the green card lottery? The answer is yes. You can be in the United States in any legal status. If you're eligible based on requirements I mentioned to you before, you can apply for the green card lottery. Now, another question I get often is that if you apply for the green card lottery, is this considered immigrant intent? Is it going to impact your other immigration attempts like applying for a family petition or a family sponsored? No. The green card lottery is not going to impact any other of your immigration attempts where you're trying to apply for a student visa or a tourist visa. Just because you applied for the green card lottery, that's not going to stop you from getting any other visa. Now, this is a great program. If you're eligible, why not try it? It's free. Make sure you do this on time. The registration is opening tomorrow, October 2nd, recording this video on October 1st, and you have a whole month to apply. So any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you need any support with any other immigration matters, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationasap.com. Leave your details and one of our team members will help you ASAP. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on our next video.